As you could see from that map, today is a tale of two Colorados, the high country buried in snow in the Denver metro area. It's like that confused John Travolta meme from Pulp Fiction.
It is a little like that. 9 News reporter Janelle Finch is in Denver tonight. And Janelle, no snow for us yet, but it's coming.
That it is. It is coming whether you love it or you hate it. We know that everybody feels differently about the snow. So we spoke to a man up in the mountains who says for him, it was just a Tuesday. This is the time of year to give thanks.
Yes, indeed.
And Eddie Liebowitz has a lot to be thankful for.
Give you all a good view, and the clouds are coming down pretty much to the ground, and it's snowing up there. And this is supposed to be going on for a couple days.
Snow's been coming down steady all day on Colorado's mountains. Liebowitz took his snow day to Aspen for a few runs.
Oh, and that is normal if you live in the mountains and you live near a ski area, that when you get a dump like this, you are going to go out and get as much of it as you can.
The drive from Glenwood Springs.
Takes about 40 minutes, normally.
Not so much this time.
It was a bit of a mess this morning, and I did leave at 7:30, and I barely got there by 9:30.
Snow is expected into Wednesday, and unfortunately, Liebowitz can't spend another day on the slopes.
Actually, I have to work.
A winter storm isn't enough to stop sales at Mattress Firm. Luckily, he doesn't mind a little snow on his morning commute.
When you live here, you know how to do it, or at least some of us do.
And he says he can't be upset when Mother Nature's given him an early holiday gift.
For us to get this kind of snow this early, it's pretty darn special. And that's why everybody's taking advantage of it. Because to start a season with basically over 4.5 feet of snow this month, that's rather special.
Liebowitz might not be afraid of the snow, but other drivers probably should be. And that's why we keep telling you that if you are planning on getting on the roads tomorrow, you might want to reconsider. Live in Denver, Janelle Finch, 9 News.
Yeah, sometimes we're a little braver than we should be, Janelle, and then we get there and go, what am I doing?
You say this was a mistake, and now I can see why.
Exactly.
Believe the people on the news.
Exactly. Very good. Well said. Thank you.